Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you call it.
Good morning, y'all. It is 6:30 in the morning. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I want to come on this morning and show you guys the entertainment center. So this is it. We have this door open and it's really dusty, but we're gonna have to replace it because it came super damaged. The doors right here are scuffed up, and then also this part here, Tony couldn't get it leveled because it was bent. This came off of one of the doors in the inside, and also in the back it had a crack. So I can't wait for them to open so I can talk to somebody in customer service because they're gonna get a piece of my mind. Yeah, this is how it looks. It would have been very cute. It's still cute, but it's messed up. So they're gonna have to replace it. This is from Ashley Home Store. This is my first time purchasing something from Ashley and I'm very disappointed. Once Tony started pulling stuff out of the box, like he had basically the base put together, and then when it came time to unwrap the doors, that's when he noticed the doors. So yeah, I am so upset. So I just told Tony to just go ahead and just put the doors on and put it right there because I don't want it like in the hallway, and this thing is so heavy. So I just told him just put it right here just to get it out of the way. And my flowers opened up, these two right here. So I need to take these off because I hate these little things. I could just pull them off. Because these things will stain. I'm so mad because I've been waiting for this. I didn't wait that long. I probably waited like 2 weeks to get it. It didn't take that long to get delivered. But it's like, now that it's here, I can't do nothing with it. Okay, let me stop looking at it and get ready for the gym. Okay, y'all, so I'm ready to go to the gym. Excuse all of the mess that's behind me. That's my old entertainment center and the new entertainment center's box. So it's a mess. I got my watch on. I didn't charge it last night. I don't know if I told y'all, but I found my AirPods. They were under my bed. So, yeah, found those. When I have my hat down like this, my eyes look so dark. Let me lift it up so I'm put myself in the light. But I'm gonna try to work out for an hour. And it's like I got one little dark spot right here. Y'all know I wear those under eye patches. Under my eyes is really lightened up. I use the Bobbi Brown eye cream, and I also use the Peter Thomas Roth eye patches. I'll link it in the description box for y'all. But I do see a big difference. I'm sure you guys can tell as well. When I have my hat down like this, my eyes look very dark, but it's just the hat. We still working on this part, so I'll take it. It looks a little crazy right now because it's early in the morning, but I'm gonna go ahead and get my workout on and then start my day. I have to do a mukbang today. I want to go to IKEA because I think they have like the, if I'm not mistaken, they have this frameless mirror, a big frameless mirror, and I want that mirror. I think it's like $200 or something like that. But of course we have to wait on Mr. Tony, but I can't have somebody load it. But Tony gets off early today, so once I get all my stuff done, I'm gonna go to IKEA because I want that mirror for my studio. So I've lost a total of 4 pounds. A way that I could tell when I'm losing weight is this line right here, because the waist is getting smaller. Let's go to the gym.
Okay, so like I have like a couple of options, but I think like you already told me we can't do it. Either I can do a parts replacement and we can replace the parts, or what I can do is make a UPS return label. UPS will come and pick it up and we can send you the replacement. We'll have to get the old one back first.
Okay. And how long will it take for them to come pick it up?
If I do it today, they'll make an attempt today, Monday, or Tuesday.
Okay.
Alright, just may I place you on a brief hold? I'll set this up, and you want a replacement, correct?
Yeah, so quick update. We're gonna have to take it apart and put it back in the box and sit it outside the door. The guy is gonna come pick it up and he's gonna give me a tracking number, and then I have to email the lady and she'll go ahead and ship out a new one. So that's the update on that. I'm so happy we kept the box because we ended up needing the box, because I told her that we had put it together because I wanted to just, you know, see if some of the parts can be replaced. But she said we had to actually take it completely apart. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. So I'm getting ready to do my mukbang. I have to use this pineapple today because I bought this like Sunday, I think it was, or I bought this Monday, and girl, I need to hurry up and use it. So I'll be using this today for my little cocktail on my video. But I'm doing a seafood tower. I haven't done that in a while. So this is what I'm using, this little acrylic tray. If you guys have been following me for a while, this is what I used to store my perfume on. But I'm gonna use this for my seafood tower. So I basically have seafood on every tier. So I have like some lobster claws. I'm gonna do king crab, Dungeness crab, mussels, my favorite. I'll probably do some shrimp. What else I have? I said king crab, Dungeness crab, yeah. And then I'm gonna just sit everything on here. It's gonna look really cute. I'm gonna try to film while I'm setting up, but I don't know how detailed it's gonna be because when I set up, I'm getting ready to film my mukbang. So I wanna make sure that everything looks nice. So I might just set my camera up, leave it, and just let y'all watch me. I'm gonna go ahead and start that. And they caused the whole scene outside.
Well, he did. He blew up. Cause he said,
I ain't got to that part yet.
what you mean?
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you. So today we are doing a seafood tower. I have some king crab, Dungeness crab, lobster, shrimp, and mussels.
Yeah. For
today's drink, we're gonna just call this a Bahama Breeze. And what you got, Tony?
Got a good old rum and coke, you know me.
Rum and coke, so let's go ahead and say grace. All right, y'all. So I just finished doing my mukbang, but we left the table out because I might film a few this weekend to have, so I don't have to worry about it. So I decided to just leave the table up, but I have so much work to do this weekend. So I think that you guys will probably get this video on Saturday because I'm editing my mukbang right now, but I'm not sure if I have enough. This eyelash is so messed up. Y'all know when a little bit of glue, oh Lord, girl, I done pulled it all the way off. Child, don't worry about it. But I don't know how much footage I have for this vlog, so I'm not too sure if this vlog will go out today or tomorrow. I'm not able to go to IKEA today because I didn't tell Tony. I forgot that he had to go to Tony's practice, and then after the practice they had something that they had to do, and I didn't know about that, so I'm not gonna even bother telling him about me wanting to go to IKEA. I'll probably just go to IKEA tomorrow, but I do want a mirror. This is my old mirror, but this one is really small, and I just want like a bigger mirror. This is my old mirror from my old place, but my ceilings are like so high, so this mirror looks tiny. No, on camera it might look okay, but it looks tiny in here, so I want to get a bigger mirror. I was supposed to do a Boohoo try on haul. It was sponsored, but I don't like the way the clothes look, so I told them like, ooh, I'm gonna have to send that stuff back. So we'll work that out another time because the pieces just, I didn't like them. So everything is just sitting in that chair. Look at my cute little fall decor, it's so cute. So yeah, the video went good. I have a few pumpkins left from Target that I need to take back that I didn't use, so I still need to do that. Tony still has to break down the entertainment center, which is right there. I'm so sad about that, y'all. I really am. So he has to break that down, and the people are gonna come pick it up, and then they're gonna send another one. So hopefully the next one that I get, and it didn't take that long to come, maybe like 2 weeks. So oh my gosh, I have Hello Fresh that I need to film. I have a lot of stuff to do. Yeah, I just broke my glass. I bought some little saucers. This is for my classy ladies only, okay? So these little saucers right here with the tea glasses. You can use them for coffee or tea glasses. I'm gonna use them for both. But, oh, adorable. Oh my gosh. So cute. cute is this? Girl, this is so fancy. Orange juice in here. I gotta clean these things, but I'm not gonna drink it. Let y'all get into the whole look. Like, look at this. Like, girl, it's so small and cute. I love this. Look at this. So cute. I'll have this in the description box. So the set comes with four plates, little saucers, and 4 mugs. Super cute. And 4 mugs. These are the mugs. I probably won't open all of them. I'll probably just open 2. Because I'm the only one that drinks coffee and tea. But when Kalila comes over or Ryan comes over, we might have some tea or hot cocoa. Ooh. Y'all, I look rough, okay? I done pulled off my lashes. I just finished editing my video, and the video was so funny. If you guys have not checked that video out, make sure you go check it out. Subscribe to that channel. That's my mukbang channel. If you guys are into mukbangs, it's like eating, but I do a twist with mine. I do story times. It's funny. So y'all should check it out. Subscribe if you want to. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash my little mugs out. They're so cute. This is Little Tony's food. So he has 2 lobsters and 2 Dungeness crabs with my Florida butter. Tony, you want your food? He's coming to get that. Should be really good. You got you some water and stuff?
Yes.
You want to get the scissors?
No.
Okay. Good morning. Today is Saturday. And what are we doing? We're taking apart the entertainment center. We sad about it, right, Tony? Right, honey? Yeah. So we're going to IKEA today. Why are you looking at me? You already know we're going to IKEA. I'm getting ready to make some coffee out of my new mugs. And I wanted you guys to experience it with me. It really is. Okay.
No, this doesn't work. I'm not saying I need one that bends. I need to buy one, sure. Something that goes like, alright, I get it.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm